In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Google Translate in Google Workspace. This process is simple and straightforward, but there are a few details that are important to get right to ensure everything works smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to your Google Workspace dashboard. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Apps. This is where Google organizes a wide variety of its tools and services, making it easy for you to access and manage them. After clicking on Apps, you'll need to proceed to the next step, which is selecting additional Google services. This area houses a range of Google's versatile applications that can enhance your Google Workspace experience, including Google Translate. Before you can proceed with enabling any additional service, it's crucial to ensure your account is fully verified. This verification grants you full permissions required to turn on any additional services. If your account isn't verified, you might notice that some options or boxes, such as the one next to Google Translate, might not be visible or clickable. It's a protective measure to ensure that changes within Google Workspace are made responsibly and securely. Let's assume your account is indeed fully verified. In this case, you should see a checkbox next to the Google Translate service. By checking this box, you effectively enable Google Translate for your entire workspace. This allows you to access and use translation features across supported Google applications seamlessly. Once you've ticked the box, you've successfully turned on Google Translate within your Google Workspace. This means you and your team or users can now leverage the power of Google's translation capabilities directly through your workspace. Whether it's translating documents, emails, or other communications, having Google Translate enabled can significantly enhance your ability to communicate across different languages, thereby fostering a more inclusive and accessible environment. Remember, this setting empowers not just you, but everyone within your Google Workspace to utilize translation services as needed. It's a fantastic tool, especially if you're working in a multilingual team or communicating with clients and partners around the globe. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on Google Translate in your Google Workspace, opening up a world of linguistic possibilities. Be sure to explore and make the most of this feature to enhance your communication and collaboration. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, Google provides extensive support resources that you can tap into. Thanks for watching and happy translating.